Drinking enough water. Daily fluid intake is about 15.5 cups, 3.7 liters of fluid a day for men, about 11.5 cups, 2.7 liters for fluid a day for women. This in turn will improve your complexion for healthy and glowing skin. Get enough sleep, 7 to 9 quality hours each night. If you are getting fewer than 6 hours, it's luckily affecting your appearance. Eat a minimum of 5 portions of fruit and vegetable every day. Eat a rainbow of colorful fruit and vegetable and aim for at least 5 portions a day. Beta-carotene found in carrot and sweet potatoes, pumpkin and lutein found in kale, papaya and spinach are potent antioxidants important to normal skin cell development and healthy skin tone. Eat enough vitamin C. The best sources are blackcurrant, blueberries, broccoli, guava, kiwi fruit, orange, papaya, strawberries, and sweet potatoes. Vitamin C is needed to produce collagen that strengthens the capillaries that supply the skin. Eat enough vitamin E. Vitamin E protects skin from oxidative damage and supports healthy skin growth. Food-hydrated vitamin E include almond, avocado, hazelnut, pine nuts, and sunflowers and corn oils. Eat more phyto-estrogen. Phyto-estrogen, natural chemical found in plant fruit. They have a similar structure to the female sex hormone estrogen and have been found to help keep our natural hormone in balance. Include phyto-estrogen-rich soya, tofu, whole grain, fruit, vegetable as part of a balanced diet. Go for low GI carbs. Avoid high GI carbohydrate like biscuit and sugary drink as they lead to production of insulin which may damage collagen and accelerate wrinkles. Try to eat plenty of beans, pulses, porridge and other low GI slow-risen carbohydrate. Eat plenty of zinc. Zinc is involved in the normal functioning of the sebaceous gland in the skin and help to repair skin damage and keep skin soft and supple. Zinc-rich food include fish, lean red meat, whole grain, poultry, nut seeds, and shellfish. Take omega-3. You will find omega-3 in oily fish and plant sources such as linseed and their oil, chia seed, walnut, and rapeseed oil. Eat some healthy fat, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat. The type found in avocado, oily fish, nuts, and seeds provide essential fatty acids, which act as a natural moisturizer for your skin, keeping it supple and improving elasticity. Exercise plus getting the heart rate up and improving blood circulation can help to deliver oxygen and nutrition to the skin, which keep the skin healthy, promotes collagen production and promote new skin cells which keep the skin looking glowing, and is also helpful for anti-aging. Stick to a consistent skin routine. It helps your skin stay in good condition. Your shedding skin health throughout the day, so it's important to keep your skin glowing and in good condition. An effective routine can help prevent acne, treat wrinkles, and help keep your skin looking its best. Protect skin from sun. Clothing, lawns, leaves and plant, UV repellent detergent, sunglasses. Use sunscreen. Apply at least 1 ounce sunscreen at least 15-30 minutes before going outside. Thank you for watching.